Hi everyone, my name is piterpakulski. Today we'll be continuing creation of financial model of subscription business idea. If you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can write a comment or you can order financial model from scratch. We can help you with that. And now what we've done by the moment, so we've created the amount of new customers, and we have to now we have them from top to the bottom, but we have to place them from left to the right. And now we have to create the timeline for our investment project. So here we place years, months, months. The first year will be 2022. Format cells. January. So this will be the input, all others will be automized. Here we will specify when we start the operating activity. Operating activity start, month, year, so we will use data validation. We go here, list, month we will take from here, year we will take from here. For example, let's start with May 2022. Format cells, we'll use this format. We go home, then we mark it with our inputs colors, because these are the inputs, so we mark them with blue as usual. All our inputs are colored with this with blue. So now we are creating, let's just delete some non-necessary lines. Timeline. So here we'll have months. We have 10-year horizon. So it will end here. Then the first year will be 2022. Format cells. So we'll do it like this: September, October, August, September, October, November, December, January. January, we will do it like this to optimize the timeline. (2023), then we will do it like this. So this is 2023. Then we will copy, paste 2024, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and the last one is 31. So this will be, for example, this color. This will be this. So this is our timeline. For example, if we want to change the first year of our horizon, we just do it like this. Here we have the changed values of years. Here we have 2023 and the ending value with 32. So we can easily move our project from year to year, the beginning. So let's start with our timeline. So operating activity start. So this is the first month when we start operating activity. So if this year equals to this year, we will use if and here if and this month equals to this month, we will put 1. This will be the first month when we start operating activity. So here it is, May. The next step, we have to find the moments when we have operating activity and when we don't have operating activity, like 0 we don't, 1 we have. Like this. So this is the next iteration. And the next story, we have to no, 0 like this. This will be like this, but this will be 0. And now we will calculate the number of current month of operating activity. So this will be the step number 3. So this is the number of month of operating activity. So we have here we have months of operating activity, and here we also have months of operating activity from top to the bottom, and we have values of customers on each of month of operating activity stage. So what we are doing next, we will use VLOOKUP function, amount of customers, step 1, amount of new customer, step 1. So here we will place all the customer types. And then we will use the VLOOKUP function, but we have to make some preparations to use it. So we will here add a line, so this will be the number of column that we will use in VLOOKUP function. So we will use it like this. For this table we need a column number, and here it is. So what we will do now, we will do now a very interesting thing. We will search this value we will search this value, we will freeze this line, this value, we will search it in this table, so we will search it in this table, and we will need the column number, we will need the column number 19, because we're talking about the customer number 1, customer type number 1. We will need this S. We will need to fix this value. We will need exact match, close, then if will be an error, then we will place here a 0. Now let's extrapolate this formula to the right. We have to fix this also. So this is the amount of customers. Here we will place the year. So for example 2023-26 it is if we go here, (2023-26). So now we will do the same with all our customer types. So now they will be not from top to the bottom, but from left to the right. So we're taking this column S, QRS, T, I will just T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, AB, AC, AG, AE. So let's check the last type of customer. So here it is. We can also add some coefficients for each type of customer, for their values. New customer F. So this coefficient was for total, but we can also, for example, we will have some questions. For example, if the amount of new customers of this type of customer increase, or for that type of customer decrease. So we will have to play with specific customer type of customer. So new customer coefficient. So customer type. So the basic value will be 100%. So if we extrapolate this formula to the right, so we will have our new customers. So this is the growing amount of new customers, and next step will be so for example, if we want to start with not with May, but we can start with for example September. We just go here, see we can the same value starting with September 2022, so we can easily move all this data from left to the right very easily. So what we are doing next, amount of new customers, step 2. So what we will do, we will take this value, then we will add this coefficient, and then we will add on-off coefficient from this table. Then we press enter. So for example, we are starting with March 2022. We would like to switch off customer number 11. We can go here, we can see zeros for customer number 11, what will happen to the project. For example, we would like to increase generally we would like to increase all existing customers, the amount of customers on 20%, for example. We can see it here, or we would like to increase additionally, we would like to increase, for example, the customer type number 13 on, for example, 3 times or 5 times. So we can see the numbers here, so we can play with scenarios as we want without adjusting the values itself. So this is very valuable for stress test, for scenario modeling, when we have to make some decisions, what is happening to the project. The next video will be devoted to creation of a life cycle of each type of customer. I hope you like this video. You may give us a like, subscribe, write a comment, or you can order a financial model from scratch for your unique business idea. We can help you with that. So see you next videos. Thank you and bye.